There are four methods of solving the linear equations in two variables. Get the value of y from both the equations and compare, you will get the value of x and y. That is called a comparison method. The given equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty, Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed regarding the linear equation of one variable. Now in this session, I am going to take solving the linear equation of two variables, the simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So the simultaneous linear equations in two variables can be solved in four different methods to solve the simultaneous linear equations of two variables. Now, when two or more equations are satisfied the same values, when two or more equations are satisfied by the same values of unknown quantities x and y, they are called simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations means when two or more equations are satisfied by the same values of unknown quantities, then they are called as the simultaneous equation. So for the system of simultaneous equation, that is simultaneous linear equation, the number of equations should be equal to the number of variables. Suppose if there are two variables, say x and y, then there should be two equations like x plus y. Since x and y are the two variables, to solve this we are going to consider this is an example for simultaneous equation. So x plus y is equal to 2 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 4. So there are the number of equations should be equal to number of variables. So here two equations are there and the number of variables are also equal to 2. So there are four methods of solving the linear equations in two variables. So these type of equations can be solved, these linear equations can be solved using different methods. There are four methods to solve this simultaneous linear equation. So in general, any equation of the form ax plus by is equal to c and dx plus ey is equal to f. So these type of equations are called simultaneous equations of two variables. So the number of variables are 2 and the number of equations are also 2. So let us discuss one by one how we are going to solve this simultaneous equation. Now the first method is by the method of comparison. Just find out, there are two equations are given. Just find out the value of x from these two equations. Get the value of x from this equation and again x from the second equation, compare. So you will get the answer, or get the value of y from both the equations and compare, you will get the value of x and y. That is called a comparison method. Now solve the equation by comparison method. Now what is the equation given? X plus 2y is equal to 1. From this, x is equal to 1 minus 2y. Let us consider this as equation number 1. So second equation, what is second equation? 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. From this, 3x is equal to 5 plus 2y, or x is equal to 5 plus 2y divided by 3. Let us represent this as equation number 2. Now comparing 1 and 2, if we compare the left hand side are same, therefore from 1 and 2 we can write left hand side is same, so therefore 1 minus 2y is equal to 5 plus 3y divided by 2. Solve this, you will get the value of y. Substitute this value of y in any one of these two equations, you will get the value of x. That is called a comparison method, solving the simultaneous equation by comparison method. That's it. See, from equation number 1, x is equal to 1 minus 2y. So x is equal to 1 minus 2y is equation number 1. From equation number 2, 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. 5 plus 2y is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 5 plus 2y divided by 3. Comparing 1 and 2 from equations 1 and 2, left hand sides are same. Therefore 1 minus 2y is equal to 5 plus 2y by 3. Cross multiplied this. 3 minus 6y is equal to 5 plus 2y. Okay. Transfer this. So if you transfer, this becomes 3 minus 5 is equal to 2y minus 6 becomes plus 6y. So 6 plus 2 is 8y. 8y is equal to 3 minus 5. 3 minus 5 is minus 2. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2 by 8 is minus 1 by 4. Y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Now, just substitute this value of y in any one of these two equations, you will get the value of x. Now, let us take from equation number 1. From 1, put y is equal to minus 1 by 4. You will get x is equal to 1 minus 2 into minus 1 by 4. 2 2's I gets cancelled. Minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Take LCM. 2 is LCM. 2 plus 1. So, x is equal to 3 by 2. So, therefore, the value of x is 3 by 2 and y is equal to minus 1 by 4 are the value of x and y. So, this type of solution is called solving the simultaneous equation by comparison method. That's it. Now, listen to me. Very simple. Solve the following system of equation by comparison method. What is given? X plus 2y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 minus 2y. So, from equation 1. From equation number 2, 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. 3x is equal to 5 plus 2y, or x is equal to 5 plus 2y by 3. Equation number 2. Comparing equations 1 and 2. That is called comparison method. If we compare equation 1 and 2, LHS is same. X is equal to x and x are same in both the equations. From 1 and 2, comparing 1 and 2. This is called comparison. Comparing 1 and 2. Comparing 1 and 2. So, 1 minus 2y is equal to 5 plus 2y divided by 3. Cross multiply. So, you will get the value of y. Substitute this value of y in equation 1. You will get the value of x. That's it. This is called solving the simultaneous equation in two variables using comparison method. Now, let us take one more problem. So, solve this by comparison method. X plus 2y is equal to 7. 2x minus y is equal to 4. Now, from this equation, from x plus 2y is equal to 7, get the value of x. X is equal to 7 minus 2y. Similarly, from this equation, 2x minus y is equal to 4. Get the value of x. 2x is equal to minus y becomes plus y. X is equal to 4 plus y by 2. Equation number 2. Now, comparing 1 and 2. If we compare 1 and 2, comparing equations 1 and 2, comparing equations 1 and 2, left hand side are same, x is equal to x. So, therefore, 7 minus 2y is also equal to 4 plus y divided by 2. This is called the comparison method. Now, cross multiply. 7 2s are 14 minus 4y is equal to 4 plus y. So, 14 minus 4 is equal to y. Transfer minus 4y becomes plus 4y. 14 minus 4 is 10. 10 is equal to 5y. Therefore, y is equal to 10 by 5 is 2. So, the value of y is equal to 2. Now, substitute this value of y in any one of these two equations. So, from 1, let us consider equation 1. X is equal to 7 minus 2y. Put y is equal to 2. If you put y is equal to 2, 7 minus 2 into 2. 7 minus 4, that's equal to 3. So, x is equal to 3. So, therefore, the value of x is 3 and y is equal to 2. This is how we are going to solve the simultaneous equation by comparison method. That's it. Hope you followed. Just get the value of x from both the equation, compare it. Whenever left hand sides are equal, right hand side is also equal. Get the value of y, substitute that value of y in any one of the equation, you will get the value of x. That's it. Okay. Now, let us come to the next method. Solve the following equation by substitution method. So, first method is the comparison method and the second method is the substitution method. Now, how to solve this substitution method? Just find out the value of x in terms of y or y in terms of x. Substitute that in the next equation. Take any one of the equation, find out the value of x or y and substitute that value of x or y in the second equation. So, just you can convert x to y or y to x. By substituting, we are going to get the answer. That is called the substitution method. Let me explain in detail. Now, what are the equations given? 2x minus 3y is equal to 19 and x plus 3y is equal to 9. Let us consider this equation. 2x minus 3y is equal to 19. Let us represent this equation number 1 and 2. Now, 2x minus 3y is equal to 19 or 2x is equal to 19 plus 3y. X is equal to 19 plus 3y divided by 2. Now, after getting this value of x, substitute this value of x in any one of the equation. Now, put x in equation number 2. Let us consider second equation. What is equation number 2? 3x plus 2y. 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. What is x? This is the value of x. 3 into x is 19 plus 3y divided by 2 plus 2y is equal to 9. See, you will have only one variable y. If you solve, you will get the value of x. That's it. So just multiply by 2 first. 2 gets cancelled. 3 into 19 plus 3y plus 2 2s are 4y is equal to 9 2s are 18. So multiply this. So 19 into 3. This is 57 plus 3 3s are 9y plus 4y is equal to 18. 57 plus 9y plus 4. So this is 57. 9 plus 4 is 13y is equal to 18, or 13y is equal to 18 minus 57. 18 minus 57 is minus 39. So therefore y is equal to minus 13 by 13, that's equal to minus 3. The value of y is equal to minus 3. Okay, substitute this value of minus 3 in this equation. Put y is equal to minus 3 in this equation. X is equal to 19 plus 3 into y is minus 3 divided by 2. This is x is equal to 19 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. 19 minus 9 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So therefore the value of x is equal to 5 and the value of y is equal to minus 3. This is how we are going to solve by the method of substitution. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now listen to me. I will explain once again. So solve by the method of substitution. Take first equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 19, or 2x is equal to 19 plus 3y, x is equal to 19 plus 3y divided by 2. Now substitute this value of x in equation number 2. So what is equation number 2? 3x plus 2y is equal to 19. 3 into x is 19 plus 3y divided by 2 plus 2y is equal to 9. Just multiply by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 19 into 3 is 57. 3 3s are 9y plus 2 2s are 4y is equal to 9 into 2 is 18. So 57 plus 9y plus 4y is 13y. 57 plus 13y is equal to 18. 13y is equal to 18 minus 57 is minus 39. Therefore, y is equal to minus 39 by 13 is minus 3. Y is minus 3. Substitute this value of y in equation number x. What is x from equation number 1? You know x is equal to 19 plus 3y by 2. Substitute here 19 plus 3 into minus 3 by 2. That is 19 minus 9 is 10 by 2 is 5. This is how we are going to solve to get the value of x and y. What is x? X is 5. What is y? Minus 3. That's it. So this type of method is called solving the simultaneous equation by the method of substitution. Okay, now let us take one more problem. Now solve by the method of substitution method. Now what is given? X plus 2y is equal to 1. Now therefore x is equal to 1 minus 2y. Let us represent this as equation number 1. So call it as equation 1 and 2. Let us represent this as equation number 3. Now put x in equation number 2 in 2. Let us substitute the value of x in equation number 2. What is 2? 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. 3 into what is x? X is 1 minus 2y. Minus 2y is equal to 5. Multiplied 3 minus 6y minus 2y is equal to 5. So 3 minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8y is equal to 5. Or transfer this. So minus 8y is equal to 5 minus 3. Minus 8y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2 by minus 8. This is minus 1 by 4. Y is equal to minus 1 by 4. Okay. Y is equal to minus 1 by 4. See here, very simple. From equation number 1, x plus 2y is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 minus 2y. So substitute this value of x in equation number 2. What is equation 2? 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. 3 into what is x? 1 minus 2y is equal to 5. 3 2s are 6. Minus 2y is equal to 5. 3 minus 8y is equal to 5, or minus 8y is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. So y is equal to 2 by minus 8 is minus 1 by 4. So the value of y is minus 1 by 4. Substitute this value of y in this equation x. That's it, in 3. So from 3, what is 3 we have? This is equation number 3. X is equal to 1 minus 2y. X is equal to 1 minus 2y. X is equal to 1 minus 2y. Now put y is equal to minus 1 by 4. What is y? Minus 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 minus 2 into minus 1 by 4. X is equal to 1 minus into minus plus 2 by 4. That is 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. So therefore the value of x is equal to 3 by 2 and the value of y is minus 1 by 4. This is how we are going to solve the simultaneous equation by the method of what is this method called? Substitution method. Okay, hope you followed. Now let us come to the third method. So solve the following equation by the method of elimination method. What is given? X plus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x plus y is equal to 7. This can be solved by the method of elimination. First method, and we have discussed the two methods. So first two methods, comparison method and the substitution method. The third method is the elimination method and the fourth method is the rule of cross multiplication method. Now let us discuss the third method. So this is very important and easiest method. This is the general method usually we are going to apply. So elimination method. So just eliminate any one of the value from these two equations. Now what is given? X plus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x plus y is equal to 7. Let us represent this as equation 1 and 2. Now multiply this with 3 and this with 1. See, multiply with the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Is 3. Coefficient of x is 1. Multiply this with 1 and this equation with 3. This you will get 3x plus 3 2s are 6y is equal to 12. 1 into 3x is 3x plus y is equal to 7. Now subtract this. If you subtract, this becomes minus, minus and minus. So 3x minus 3x gets cancelled. That is, one value of x is eliminated. And what is remaining? 6y minus y is 5y is equal to 12 minus 7 is 5. So therefore y is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. This is called the elimination method. Just eliminate either value of x or y. See here, if you multiply by the coefficient of x, so multiply by 3, multiply by 1, 3 into x is 3x plus 3 to the 6y is equal to 12. 1 into 3x plus y, the equation 2 will remain the same. Subtract, plus 3x minus 3x gets cancelled. 6 minus y is 5y, 12 minus 7 is 5. So therefore y is equal to 1. Substitute this value in any one of these two equations. Now put y is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So that is x plus 2y is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 minus 2y. 4 minus 2 into y is 1. That is 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. So therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 are the values of x and y. That's it. Okay. So this is called the elimination method. Very simple. Just eliminate either x or y. If you eliminate x, you will get the value. Substitute that value in any one of these two equations, you will get the value of x. Now let us take one more problem. Now solve by the method of elimination. 2x minus 3y is equal to 19. 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. Now let us consider the equations. 2x minus 3y is equal to 19. Let us represent this as equation number 1. 3x plus 2y is equal to 9, equation number 2. So 2x minus 3y is equal to 19 or 3x plus 2y is equal to 9. You can eliminate x or y. Multiply this with 3 and this with 2. Okay. 3 2s are 6x minus 3 3s are 9y is equal to 19 into 3. 19 3s are 57. Again 2 into 3 is 6x plus 2 2s are 4y is equal to 9 2s are 18. See, the values of x are same. You can subtract this. If you subtract, this becomes minus, minus and minus. Plus 6x minus 6x is eliminated. Now subtract this. This becomes minus, minus. Now what happens? Plus 6x minus 6 both are same. They will get cancelled. They are eliminated. Minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13y is equal to 57 minus 18 is plus 39. It is plus 39. Therefore, y is equal to 39 divided by minus 13. So therefore, y is equal to minus 3. So the value of y is equal to minus 3. Minus 3 is the value of y. Now substitute this in any one of these two equations. From 1, let us consider from equation number 1. What is equation number 1? 2x minus 3y is equal to 19. 2x is equal to 19 plus 3y. 19 plus 3 into, substitute the value of y. What is y? Y is equal to minus 3. This is 19 minus 9 is 10. 2x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 by 2 is 5. X is equal to 5. So, therefore, the values of x and y are x is equal to 5, y is equal to minus 3. That's it. Solving the simultaneous equation by this method is called the method of elimination. Now, let us come to the last method, rule of cross multiplication. This is very important method indeed. Okay. Let us consider the simultaneous equation. Let us consider two equations. Let us consider a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2z c2. Now, how the rule of cross multiplication, RCM, that is called the rule of cross multiplication. First, write down x, y and constant, and the coefficient of x is a1, a2 below this. Below y, write down the coefficient of y, b1, b2, and below 1, write down the constants c1 and c2. Repeat the first two. What is the two? a1, a2, b1 and b2. Strike the first and cross multiply like this. That's it. So, how? Just strike the first one and cross multiply. X divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1. That is equal to 1 constant 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Just equate first and last and second and last, you will get the value of x and y. That's it. Okay. This is called the rule of cross multiplication. See, consider two simultaneous equations of the form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Then write down x, y and constant, the coefficient of x, y and constant below this line. a1, a2 is the coefficient of x, b1, b2 are the coefficient of y, constant c1 and c2. Just repeat first two, a1, a2, b1, b2, strike the first line below x, cross multiply b1, c2 minus b2, c1 is equal to y divided by c1, a2 minus c2, a1. After multiplying two elements, just subtract it, is equal to 1 divided by a1, b2 minus a2, b1. So, just equate first and last and second and last, you will get the value of x and y. That's it. This method is called a rule of cross multiplication. Okay. Now, let me take one problem. Solve the simultaneous equation by the method of cross multiplication, RCM, rule of cross multiplication. What is given? 2x plus 3y is equal to 8 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 7. The given equation can be written as 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now, just write down x, y and constant. What are the values of x? 2, 2 and 3. Y values are 3 and 2 and the coefficient constant minus 8 and minus 7. Repeat the first two. What are the two values? 2, 3 and 3, 2. Now, strike this, cross multiply like this. Okay. Now, what you will get? X divided by 7 into 3 minus 21 minus into minus plus 8 to the 16. Then y divided by, multiply this, 8 into 3 minus 24 minus into minus plus 7 to the 14 is equal to 1 divided by 2 to the 4 minus 3 3 is 9. Okay. Now, what we will get? That is x divided by minus 24 plus 16 is minus 5. Y divided by minus 24 plus 14 is minus 10 and 1 divided by 4 minus 9 is minus 5. Now, equate first and last. X by minus 5 is equal to 1 by minus 5, minus 5x is equal to minus 5, x is equal to minus 5 by minus 5 is 1, x is equal to 1. Now, from second and last, y by minus 10 is equal to 1 by minus 5, minus 5y is equal to minus 10, y is equal to minus 10 by minus 5 is 2, y is equal to 2. So, therefore, the value of x is 1 and y is equal to 2. That's it. This is called rule of cross multiplication. So, if you want to verify, you can verify. Put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, 2 into 1 is 2, plus 3 into 2 is 6, plus 2 is 8 you will get. That's it. 1 comma 2 is the answer. Okay. Now, let us take a similar type problem. Let me take one more problem. Solve by the method of rule of cross multiplication. X plus 2y is equal to 1 and 3x minus 2y is equal to 5. Now the given equation can be written as RCM. We are going to apply. Equation can be written as given equation becomes x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0, 3x minus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now write down x, y and constant. Coefficient of x are 1, 3 and coefficient of y is 2 and minus 2. The constants are 1 and minus 5. Repeat the first two, that is 1, 3, 2, minus 2. Strike the first one, cross multiply like this. That's it. So what you will get? X divided by 5 2s are 10, minus 10, minus into minus, plus into minus, minus 2 1s are 2. Y divided by these two, minus 3 1s are 3. Then minus into minus plus 5 is equal to 1 divided by 1 2s are 2, minus 2, minus 6. Okay. Now just this can be written as x divided by minus 12, y divided by 2, 1 divided by minus 8. Now comparing first and last, x by minus 12 is equal to 1 by minus 8. So minus 8x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to minus 12 by minus 8, x is equal to, so this can be written as 4 2s are 4 3s are, so 4 3s are 4 2s are 3 by 2, x is equal to 3 by 2. And similarly second and last, y by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 8. So y is equal to minus 2 by 8 is minus 1 by 4. Y is equal to minus 1 by 4. So therefore the values of x and y are, therefore x is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to minus 1 by 4. This is how we are going to solve the simultaneous equation by RCM. That's it. Okay. So therefore the required solution is x is equal to 3 by 2 minus y, x is equal to 3 by 2 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2. So these are the four methods of solving the simultaneous equation. That is comparison method, substitution method, elimination method or RCM. So definitely you will get one question from this for 3 marks. Hope you followed. So that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with the different concept in the next class. Thank you very much.